everybody. And some more Air Jordan excitement today. They're just going crazy on these shoes this month and last month. These sold out really, really fast. They had one pair per size at the local Foot Locker. So I was able to cop this pair, 8s, or actually these are 8.5, and also a pair of 9s. So just wanted to unbox them here real quick. Okay, we're going to do the unboxing real quick. Here we go.
Every Saturday we off to get our J's, then we put them up on YouTube and give you all a review. Check it, unbox them and on feet. Unbox them and on feet. Raptor so unique. Raptor so unique.
And the retro black, real nice and shiny. And that shininess just wraps all the way around. It's really nice. So I'm going to put these out. You can look at these one close up in a second. I was excited. They had a little Chicago Bull hat in the Foot Locker too today, so that was fun. They had these on sale for like $9.99. That was exciting. And they also had, they threw in a, because it's apparently these are reminiscent of Jordan's baseball days. So they had a special t-shirt with the baseball jersey material on it with his number 45. Notice these, they have like a really nice extra little, I guess it's, I don't know if it's actually, it's like a neoprene little, almost like an extra little sock insert inside the boot to make it a really nice snug fit. They fit really like a nice glove. The bottom, this is a real soft rubber. Nice, really nice feel to it. Leather up here, leather on the upper. It's kind of a crisscross round shoestring pattern. And there's the jump handle on the heel. And the leather is really nice. They're real supple, nice, soft, smooth leather. I think they're a great shoe. I think they're really awesome. Nice look to them. Nice feel to it. Next we'll have the on feet.